Wait. Di mo nakita mo?
Hey, what's my first?
Ayaw ite!
How do you start?
Bakit?
Yo, music yo.
Music.
We're home, right?
Yeah, we are home.
Oh my god, NBA.
What is this game?
Carry bound. Okay. All the way with. Wow, holy cow.
Why did it?
Never text my text you after you have 1D.
What?
I thought you were
One?
that old one.
없어.
Just friends.
지금이 없어.
Just friends. 지우! 더 밀어!
How do you fly?
더 밀어! Brother, what are you doing? Pencet poinnya.
Ay!
Aina! Ya!
Gila, Surgeon keren banget Surgeon.
No, it's okay. I didn't get permission. Aku. Nice, wait. Chat rebound. Oh! All the way. Miss B. Oh, Miss B. Sorry. Why was he missing? Ay! Jiu. Wait. When you press to the back.
아, 지우! It's okay, 지우!
지우야! 자신감 가져. 자신감을 가지라고.
정신 차려.
아니 정신 차리는 게 아니라 스피커.
No, I know. I'm telling her to get herself together.
아이 잘하고 있어.
You're doing well. Tight D.
6-7.
Rebounded! Nice! Em! Thanks for butter.
What's number 6? Can I choose? Should I press number 6? Yeah, I think that's it.
Get it! Emily!
선 조심. 아인 선 조심 선. 선. Not 손. Because they always step away. And me too. Fine. 아인 선 조심.
You say that when it's over.
I always say 선 조심. I am it. Everything. Yeah. Get back to work. Get back to work.
The ball is still there.
Wait there! Yeah! Time out. And one!
Back up.
I thought she was gonna celebrate that she won the NBA.
No, is it weird if I have like but she said that's weird.
Chat rebounded chat. Okay, nice each other.
Nice win! And one!
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
지우선 조심.
As we start the second quarter, it's here for Whitney. Whitney is on. Passes a little too high for Aurora, and the ball is back to
Michael.
the Hawks. Hawks go down on play. Back to the 20, dribble, something like that. Okay. Shoot on there, and it's a jump off, the ball goes back to. That's good. Hawks. Number 27, dribble ball, 22 drive, solo. Ball back to the Hawks. drive. Back shot, good. 8-2. 4. That's the high. Whitney, point guard. Tries to duck his team. Aurora, Whitney. Picks up the dribble. Aurora, classification. 3-1, 2-0. She knocks the rebound. Rebound. Back up to Whitney. Whitney. And foul. Gonna be a foul on the floor. Aurora will do the inbound. Truly. Whitney, stop. Aurora, foul line. Close with it. Whitney, another shot, short corner. Too strong. Tinashe, rebound. Aurora, hands out to Whitney. Whitney, drive with 2 people. Stop. Tinashe, shot. No good. That's out to rebound. And travel. Both teams still looking to hustle in the second quarter. Double team, Smith. Substitution. Following comes out for Ayu. Inbound play. Drive Aurora, working. Back off to Aurora. Aurora has the ball. Look. Passes to Whitney. Whitney. Tinashe on the wing. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 2, 1. Shot clock by Whitney. As the run, as the time runs out, the ball is back to Essenham. 24 seconds on the shot clock. And on the ball, all the way. Stop, passes. Number, rebounded. Second 10 points. James Brown. And it's a 3-second. Riley. Another substitution made by Essenham coach. And Tinashe comes out.
Why is Bro still?
And also Whitney for enemy and
Already out of the team. What's it? I don't know.
okay, Emily will take over coach by duty. Emily Aurora fouls on the shot. What picks up the blue is Bravo. As the ball goes back to Essenham. Number 2, William Ball. And it's a big ball, and the ball goes back to Essenham. Hawks. Number 27, the big guy. He looks. Passes. Turnover. Oh, the big guy. Bam. And it's a foul.
Bro, no.
8-2, 5:15 on the shot on the clock. As Freya tries to shoot the 2 free throws.
Where's your mom?
First free throw, good.
What did it want? So much score in there still.
Second shot, also good. As Freya hits 2 of her free throws and the lead is set to 4. Emily with the point guard lead will try to score against this one defense. Aurora, and Emily, what they both to each other. What they together. Emily shot, 2 points, no good. Rebound by Freya. Freya another shot, passes in the middle. And she goes off. Emily, hit the basket. 2 people, offense good. And the ball is Hawks will try to make this comeback with under 4 minutes left in the second quarter. Pass, almost over. Out of the hand is number 6, and the ball is back to both teams are constant turnovers. They need to learn to secure their ball. Emily will try to attack them. Back end to shot. Emily, no good. Rebound. Number 23. Number 22. Down low. Solo. Back to number 6. Number 20. Shot. No good. Rebound on the comeback and half. Second chance point. Back shot. No good. Emily. All the rebound. Emily, corner to you, right on the side, straight over, again, number 67, straight over the hustle.
Anjay, boss.
When it's the match to the ball, and then everybody's to the ball now. Shot, okay, rebound and come back down. There with the ball, drive, shot, back shot, no good. Again, rebound and shot, Gigi with the ball. All right, shot, 3-point. Oh, turned out the foot was on the line, it's a 2-point shot.
Did you guys hear the camera start? You wouldn't get
Extra high. We're trying to learn to break this full-court defense. As the game across the corner, we're starting out you. Leading to Emily. Emily on the first. Yeah, G to one over. And all gets the rebound again. Back to Emily. Emily. In the lane, as the ball goes back to extra high, as they make huge substitutions. Extra high, faced before recently many times, and today with under 1 minute left of the clock. 10 points for extra high, 4 points for extra high. 4 points for Emily. Emily, Kinaki, Aurora, shot, under, 30 seconds, and it's traveled.
Wait, can you put everything else?
Stop the beat. 15 seconds. Aurora. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As we close the second quarter.
Why can't you do it?
As we start the second quarter, the second half, extra high on the ball. Alex by himself. Second half, the ball is 2. Esther. Michelle, the take over point guard duties right now. To KC, but KC, back to Ivy, Michelle, take this up, driving back 2 people, back to Ivy, block, second shot, for Mitchell, back in the right side, take that up to Ivy, she scores. 6-12. Casey. Michelle. Back to Casey. Got up in the top. Almost loses it. But picked up by Michelle. And it's a 3-second violation. And the ball is back to
Where's Ryan? Where's teacher?
This is all the first
She used to always use the ball.
Chat, are you
Michelle will try to get the quarterback. Katie, drive, stop right at the defense. This will be defense. We got the end by Michelle.
Nice pizza!
Seven forward left in the game. Sasha and Hugh. And Whitney. Both 3 of them coming. Michelle on the line. All the way out to Katie. Katie drives. Gives it off to Whitney. Whitney to Michelle. Michelle, corner, shot, over. Rebounded. Back to 23. Number 32. 57. 57 shot. 10, 12. Small back two. Both girls showing their hearts on this basketball court. Third left in the third quarter, Esther holding with 10 points and Esther with 2 points. They try to make their rebound play. And he set off the line, number 64, 24.
Wait, yang bener, wait, yang bener.
And the ball is back to Esther, Whitney, Gio back to Whitney to Michelle. Screen by Tasha. Handoff, Whitney drives to the right, Gio on the corner.
Watch your left!
Guys, lock in!
5 minutes left. 12 to extra hold on to a 2-point lead. The game is still everybody's team. Hughes with the steal, no. Number 57. Passing the ability is there to receive the ball. Esther regaining the possession. As they make a substitution for Anthony. Comes in for Hugh. Michelle. With the ball. Michelle. Emily. Back to Michelle. Trying to 3.
Ow!
Rings out. Freya Oliva. Stop. The number 57. Captain Front, the team station. Emily the ball. Emily, by herself. Rings out. Whitney. Stop. Two people there. This is what we get. Freya with the shot. Rebound to Alice. She's trying to get that from Rebound Anderson. The shot. Ball.
Fights for the ball. Like she puts the fight on the ball.
Four, 10 seconds left. Whitney with the ball. To Isha. Isha all the way to the other side. Back to Whitney. Whitney shot.
Hey!
That shot too strong. And now we're going up.
Defend!
Freya with the ball. John Kennedy. And then Freya with the ball. Shot.
Guys, look here! Locked off.
That's the fair. That's the way. Lisa, 3v2, box in. And it is
Juju.
and it is a foul. A blocking foul. And it's as Michelle was trying to shoot 2 free throws to extend the lead to 4.
One more.
At the line. Number 57. With the ball.
Nice win.
Good shot. 15-10, ball Arsenal. The pressure, the pressure is working. Dribble past 2 people, dribble past 3 people, try to shoot the passes, and it is ball behind the line. With only 2 minutes left in the third quarter, she has a huge substitution.
What's that? Is it hot? What is like this?
15-10. That's the hour ball. Whitney will try to score in this rotation. Whitney, good shot. 2-3 players. Good shot. Drive by 3 people. Michelle will try to hustle with the two.
Let's right down!
Let's go, Lana. Kisa! No, you just don't know me.
Let's go, Itzel, one more!
Love you!
Ay!
2 free throws for Michelle and Mayor. As you can now start to respond. Under 1 minute left in the game. After the break. And the ball back to Michelle. Under 30 seconds.
Okay, Itzel! Okay, Itzel!
3-4. As she extends the lead to 8. With under 15 seconds left on the clock. Esther will try to respond with 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I heard like someone called my name. Oh, I heard someone call my name. So I heard Will.
All the way! Ah! Em, let's go, Em! 아이디 신발! 연진, 아이디 신발.
아니 신발
But
왜?
it is handled well. Esther with a good start. Down 10. Miscommunication. Winning the field. Winning Solomon number 23. Center. Clear the ball. By himself. By himself. Still in the other ball. Guarding by the right behind. Forcing up. Jump ball. Ball is back to. Excellent. Winning with the ball again. Swing to Emily drives. Back out to Winnie. Drives. And face. No good. With another shot. 22-10 for Esther. Okay, Esther still in the full court press. Ready for Esther. Player, shot, back shot, no good. We'll try to rebound. Whitney with the ball. Pass numbers. Emily. 24, 10, 7, 25 in the game. Well, we're trying to take this team on her back. As Edwin on track with that. But Ali breaks up the pass. Whitney back to the play. And it is a double dribble violation. As both teams make their substitutions.
Am I so loud?
Player on the ball. Guarded Henry. Rebound, second touch, double. Ball is still into our hands. free throw is no good. Lane violation. Second free throw is also no good. As Aurora will drive to the far court. G. Back to Aurora. Aurora shot. Score. Oh. Sia with the rebound. But as the half is able to recover, G to Aurora. Aurora gets a three from Sasha. Giving back to Aurora.
8, 7, 6, 5. 지우야 그냥 드리블해서
And
슈트
the
되잖아.
ball is back to
잘했어.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Aurora, back to shot over. Rebound at the half. Play over the ball. Play as it's taking a break in. Layup. Rebound. Rebound against the player. And she picks up her pivot. And it is back to Aston Hotball. Dengan Aurora. Aurora, drive. High, shot over, and the ball in the rebound. Number 6, good player. Back to the 20, 22, shot. And pick up one foul.
Chip, right? See. Do you think the guy can score like 10? I just 400 gigabyte on my
And 1-4, that's enough.
Can you see? Can I? Number 20,
basketball. Anything can happen. With under 2 minutes left in the quarter. Number 27, shot. But was able to be bothered while Esteban the ball is back to Esteban. Esteban from the baseline. As he travels with the basketball.
Johnson. No.
My dad's now.
Oh.
Sorry. Wait, no.
Okay, 18. Taking the ball. Michelle almost over. Here's the alley. Alley complication. Deep drive. A shot. 2 shots. Also for the ball down low. Number 15, Sam from the house, number 1 minute left. Shot. Thanks for the first. Rebounded by Esther Hines, the ball.
Trying to get lucky, Casey.
Back to the middle. Down 13 points. Esther Hines will try to come back from this deficit with 42 seconds left in the last quarter. Esther with the ball, number 23. They try to score. Almost off that Casey, but Russell number 20 is 1-2. Casey, look at that hustle. And is able to steal the ball from Esther. With under 30 seconds left, with 33 seconds left, and they will have an out-of-bounds play.
You're not playing, right? Don't do this.
Number 24. 24 to number 27. It's not by itself. Number 22, Perry. 28-13. More. Esther will look very far. 20 seconds left on the shot clock. Shot. Back. Good. 28-15 with 15 seconds left in the game. 28-15 with 10 seconds left in the game. Casey still has the ball. 2 shots. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is the game. 28-15.